Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about a comparison between coyotes, wolves and foxes. Coyotes are often known to be the smaller cousins of grey wolves and the foxes of the coyotes. You can clearly see the similarities in their appearances. However, there are many points of comparison between the three animals. This Animal Shake article does an analysis to put an end to the age-old debate of coyote versus wolf versus fox. Canidae are commonly known as canines, which is relatively a small homogeneous family of hunters. They include wolves, foxes, coyotes and domestic dogs. Wolves, coyotes and foxes have roamed the earth alongside man for millennia, and yet they still manage to be an integral part of our ecosystem. But truly, what is the difference between these three wonderful creatures beside their appearance? Apart from looking quite similar to each other, they fall under the dog family of Canidae. The Canidae family is divided into two main categories: the Canini, which consists of dogs, jackals and wolves, and then there is the Vulpini family, which largely consists of foxes. However, a few questions have haunted many for a very long time. Are coyotes and wolves in the same family? How are coyotes and wolves alike, and how are coyotes and wolves different from each other? This article elaborates on size, diet, appearance, etc. about this beautiful Canidae for your understanding. Coyote versus wolves versus fox. Following are some points of similarities and difference between the fox, coyote and the wolf, which will help you see the variation in the same family. Scientific classification. Note the following table includes the scientific classification for red foxes and grey wolves. Fox. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Mammalia. Order Carnivora. Family Canidia. Genus Vulpes. Species V. vulpes. Next is coyote. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Mammalia. Order Carnivora. Family Canidae. Genus Canis. Species C. latrans. Next is wolf. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Mammalia. Order Carnivora. Family Canidia. Genus Canis. Species C. lupus. Appearance. Foxes are the smallest of the three, weighing around 6 to 24 lb. They stand tall at around 15 to 20 inches and 15 to 30 inches long. They have a flattened skull, upright ears, slanted eyes, slightly upward turned snout, elongated body with short limbs and a long bushy tail. Coyotes are smaller than the wolf and larger than the fox. They weigh around 24 to 46 lb and are around 4 to 5 feet long and 50 to 66 centimeter tall. They have a long and slender snout with triangular ears and a long bushy tail. They have a bluish black scent gland located at the upper side of the base of their tail. Wolves have a heavier and larger body structure in comparison to the fox and coyote. They also have a wider and rounded snout. Wolves have shorter ear and a torso with a sloping back. They also have long but less bushy tails, which they carry high while running. They also have a black gland spot on the upper side of the base of their tail. Coat. Foxes have been known to shed their dense winter coat around April. Different subspecies of fox come in a variety of coats of fur color, length and density. They range from white black freckled with white grey underside, armor, plate, etc. Coyotes have light grey, red, black and white colored fur on their body. The colors and shade vary as per their geographical location. For example, those living on high elevation have black and grey fur as compared to desert dwellers who are more whitish grey. The coyote furs consist of the short, soft under fur and long coarse guard hair. Wolves have a dense and coarse guard fur along with a long and fluffy regular coat. Most of the unwanted fur is shed out on the offset of spring and grows back around fall. You can often find them in a combination of greys, blacks and whites. Behavior. Foxes are omnivorous scavengers who trade out in search of food in the form of small prey only at the night. Unlike other canids, foxes do not live in packs. On the contrary, some like the Arctic foxes live solitary lives. Coyotes are strictly monogamous and the pack is centered around the nuclear family, mostly around the reproductive female. However, it has been found that other non-family members join the pack temporarily. Wolves are often found hunting in pack of around 7 to 8 wolves. This often includes the alpha male and female, older offspring and pups. Vocalization. A fox vocal repertoire is vast depending on what it wants to convey. In whines, yelps, yell out explosive calls, comeback calls, growls, barks and produce shrill screams. Coyotes are often heard weeping and at times giving out short barking howls. Wolves, as you are aware, are known for their howls. They also bark and whine to communicate. Diet. A fox diet mainly consists of smaller mammals, rabbits, birds, insects, reptiles, crabs, eggs and plants. Coyotes hunts for rodent, reptiles, amphibians, fish, birds, pigs, sheep, goats, deer, hare, rabbits and insects. Wolves prey upon livestock, moose, deer, roe deer, wild boar, reindeer, ibex, wild goats, saiga, mule deer, bad goats, ground squirrels, hamster, marmots, mice, foxes, coyote pups, eggs, waterfowl, bison, rodents, fish, monkeys, reptiles, frogs, snakes, insects, wolves, etc. Predators. A fox's natural enemies mainly consist of the coyote and wolves, and other predators vice bears, humans, eagles and other larger carnivores. Coyotes fall prey to mountain lion together, tigers, bears, humans and wolves. A wolf's life is often endangered by predators, whilst tigers, humans and other wolves. Reproduction. Fox mate around December to February with a 52 days gestation period. The litter can consist of around 4 to 5 cubs. In the initial 2 to 3 weeks of cubs' life, they are kept within their den receiving the heat and nutrition from the bison. Around 4 weeks into this world, they begin to slowly emerge out of their underground homes. The cubs are weakened when they are around 6 weeks of age. At around 6 months of age, they step into young adulthood. Coyotes mate around mid-January to early February and have a gestation period of 60 to 66 days. The latter consists of around 2 to 10 pups. The pups survives away their mother at around 7 weeks and begin to eat solid after 3 weeks. Around October to November, when the pups are 7 to 8 months old, they begin to accompany their parents on hunts. On reaching adulthood, pups split from their parents and find their own mates. Wolves breed around January to March with a gestation period of around 63 days. The litter often consists of around 4 to 7 pups. The entire pack pitches into care for the pups till they have reached maturity, which is around their 10 months of age. Around this time, they are able to hunt on their own and become a contributing member of the pack. At times, some young wolves disperse into the wild. Though these beautiful creatures are found wandering in the world, they are in constant threat due to deforestation, unlawful human encouragement and killing. Conversational camps and programs have been enforced to reduce the depletions of their fast depleting population. Furthermore, cross-mating with our faithful companions dogs and crossbreeding between coyotes and wolves have brought in new species. Related post: a comparison between locust and cicadas to help you identify them. Although locust and cicadas are similar color, shape and sound making abilities, they are actually two very different insects. To clear and confusion, we bring you a comparison of fast facts about foxes that will leave you spellbound. Foxes are best known as sly creatures. However, these are like any other animal in the wild. Read some interesting facts about foxes and their relationship with man in this. Striking difference between a fluke and a flounder. With a vast variety of fish in this ocean, it is always a curiosity among fishermen regarding what they will catch next, though the majority of fish are easy too. So friends, hope you understand about this topic. I will be again here with you all to discuss with other interesting topics. Thank you.